I put my flashers on just in case.
Yeah, it's like a white minivan, I believe, so I mean,
You think they'll be here anytime, or who knows?
I don't think so.
Okay,
but
we'll do it quick. You got your wife's key? Your fiance's key?
yeah.
Okay. And let me see your key. You got your key on you? Okay. I wonder which key it is. How dumb is that? Okay. All right, we'll start with your fiance. Is that what it is? Remind me what car she has? Oh, I need to close that. What kind of car was it? Was it a Hyundai, something like that?
Her car is a Kia Rio.
Kia Rio, okay.
Yep.
All right, let me... That's not even on it, so I'll start with yours. Yeah, and I would assume that they're the same key, both doors.
Yeah.
So, looks like they're all on the bottom. Well, that's picked. Let's read these cuts. Alright, let's do this door. Just go by key blank. Direct. 45231. Believe it or not, even without cutting the other side, this key should work. Or not. Yeah, it does. Cuts are all on one side. So we'll cut the other side. And then both sides will work. All right, here you go. Yep. What kind of work do you do?
Huh?
What do you do?
Air conditioning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My second air conditioning guy today.
Really?
Yeah. It's working on that side?
Yeah.
Perfect. What about the trunk? Is there the tailgate? Is there a lock over there?
No, I can't.
Why not put the key in the wrench now? Sure did it.
Put the key in our first accidentally.
Yeah. got a key code. I just wanted to double check it. We're gonna cut this one. There's something in there. Like a pebble. All right, let's go program this remote and you'll be done. Threw me back by like an hour. Well, you know, because I'm an hour late to you. All right, that's the new one. Sometimes it just happens that way.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Where's the thing? Oh, maybe it's underneath. Oh, it's right here. Okay. This is a nice key for her. The car didn't come with one, huh?
No. Just came with that key.
Interesting. I guess she bought it like used or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
They must have lost their key.
Yeah. That's what I was saying.
Yeah. Rio. You said 16. Somewhere over here. Easy peasy. It should start it, no problem. So. All right, there you go. All right, it's open or locked? Open. Test this one out. There's a button to turn it off.
It's a little tricky manual.
Oh, how do you get a key out?
Here, it's
There's a little button,
a
right?
little button right here.
Oh, underneath. Okay. All right, that's where it is. All right, yeah, the new key works, so.
Perfect.
Over there.
Right, it's down.
It's two-handed operation.
There you go, down, yeah.
Unless they're me and filming, then you gotta use one hand. So. Luckily, I got long fingers, I guess.